Collard Greens TV. We're here with a quick update on the collard greens, the Georgia collard greens grow. This is week 3. I did a video from week 2. I missed week 1. Again, I'd like to apologize for that, but this is week 3. As you see, if you watched the week 2 video, they all have gotten much bigger. Besides these two little guys, I'm not quite sure. They're just taking a little time, so that's why I moved them up here. It could have been that I grabbed the wrong two in thinning process that happened. So with here, all of these have started to, look fairly decent. Again, this is week 3 of the collard greens, the Georgia collard greens grow. These will stay here to week 6 here under the light. Week 7 and 8, I will have them out back to harden off, just in a shelter area, and then I'll move them, out so they can get a little wind and maybe a little rain, hopefully. And then hopefully week 9 we can get them in the ground, ready to go. But again, it's Collard Greens TV, just with an update on the collard greens grow. It's week 3. We will be back with more. But be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment. Collard Greens TV. Yeah.